In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply the CPR indicator on TradingView, widely regarded as one of the best indicators for trading, all within just 5 minutes. Welcome to this step-by-step guide where I'll walk you through the process in a clear and easy-to-follow manner. Whether you're a seasoned trader or a beginner just getting your feet wet, this tutorial is designed to help you enhance your trading strategies swiftly and effectively. First things first, let's head over to TradingView. Open your web browser and type in tradingview.com, or simply click on the provided link if you're following along in the description. Once you're on the home page, you'll need to log in if you haven't already. TradingView is a powerful tool for market analysis, providing a wealth of indicators and charts for traders worldwide. Now that you're on TradingView, let's locate the Indicators button. It's situated at the top of the page, right in the toolbar, making it easy to spot. Go ahead and click on Indicators to bring up a search box. This search function is particularly helpful because TradingView offers a broad array of indicators, and this feature allows you to quickly find the specific one you need without having to browse endlessly. In the search box that appears after clicking Indicators, you're going to type CPR. CPR stands for Central Pivot Range, a widely used indicator that helps traders identify significant support and resistance levels based on pivot points. It's a favorite among many traders for its simplicity and effectiveness in identifying potential price reversal points. After typing CPR into the search box, you'll see a list of available options. Select the CPR indicator from the list presented. When choosing the correct option, make sure you pick the one appropriate for your market, as there might be several variations depending on different authors and their custom settings. Nevertheless, the default CPR indicator should work perfectly for most users. Once you've selected the CPR indicator, it will automatically be applied to your chart. You'll notice that new lines appear, overlaid on your current trading chart. These represent the calculated pivot points and range for the asset you are analyzing, offering insight into where the price might find support or resistance. And there you have it. With the CPR indicator now active on your chart, you can start utilizing its insights to guide your trading decisions. By incorporating this tool into your analysis, you grant yourself an advantageous perspective on possible market movements, helping you make more informed trading decisions. That's all for today's quick guide on applying the CPR indicator in TradingView. It's a straightforward process, yet incredibly powerful when leveraged correctly. Be sure to explore different settings within the indicator to tailor it to your particular trading style and strategy. Thanks for joining me today, happy trading, and may this tool enhance your journey in the markets.